Alex Jumelin.
There is.
There he is, the man who reinvents himself year and year again.
Oh yeah, totally different styles compared to the other guys. You know, we mentioned earlier the shorter size, different riding, more of an explosive riding. You know, shorter lengths, but really hard, like really technical moves each and every time that require a lot of energy out of Alex.
Yeah, you just mentioned energy. Look at the force on his front wheel, how he's able to whip that back end around. You can just see the confidence, power, and also just putting it together with the finesse. Those are not three things to have. It's almost maybe like a fighter in the ring who's got the power and speed when they need it, but they can really be very graceful on their feet.
Exactly. And the thing is, Alex has such a bag of tricks and such experience that he can rely on, you know, whenever things go wrong or might go wrong, you know, he can always get back on his feet, and that's his talent right there. That's his force on the course. Oh, that's something I was waiting to see. That G-turn to nose wheelie. A bit of an elusive trick right there.
Nose wheelie both ways there in that G-turn.
Yeah, going back, forth, and back, and forth.
And back again.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one for the judges.
And so this one actually is the first time that we have seen it in points-building contests at the FISE. He did unleash it in Saudi Arabia a couple weeks ago for us.
Yes.
Wow, just such nose wheelie control there.
Yep, look at that, switching his body around 180, grabbing his end, switch hand, and going back into the max circle, cross-footed. That's really into the details, you know, that what makes the difference with Alex is it's all in the details. Look at that, so much control. Everything you see right there is pure Alex Jumelin too, just as the other riders we've seen previous. And back into that nose wheelie action.
Half bar spin.
Yes. Oh yeah, there it is. So hard to get into that from almost no speed. Getting that motion rolling is just incredible.
Now, I called out the half bar spin there because his geometry would completely change on his bike with his bar spinning backwards.
Decade out. Yes.
So Jumelin right now looking at the clock, knowing that he only has a few moments left. We're talking about the 20 seconds. His handlebars are backwards. He's on that back peg. You see him looking for that front tire.
Yeah, look at that. Going all the way around the top tube. Yes.
Getting up and close and personal right there. You see him just backing into our cameraman with 3, 2, 1, and that is time for Jumelin.
Yep.